Easily buy and sell mortgage notes on your phone and more with our new user interface in this Paperstac update. Hi, I'm Mike McClin, and if you've been using Paperstac for a while, you're definitely going to notice some new user interface changes on our transaction page. So we've rebuilt our online transactions to be mobile friendly and have also added over 50 updates and tweaks along the way. Instead of just going through each and every update, I'm going to narrow it down to my top 3 changes that were made during this massive update. The first thing on my list has to be the new responsive layout. All the interactions you were doing on your computer can now be done comfortably on your mobile phone. You can browse your transactions timeline or to-dos, leave messages, negotiate price, sign documents, and perform your entire mortgage closing in a new mobile-friendly interface. However, the new layout doesn't just cater to mobile devices. We have also enhanced our interface to utilize more of your screen when viewing the transaction on large monitors. So now, when your screen is wide enough, your to-do list will break out into its own column, allowing you to easily view your to-dos while reading your timeline. My second favorite feature has to be the price comparison feature in our price negotiator panel. As a seller, when you're negotiating a price of an asset, you can now see your current price negotiations for that asset in your other transactions. So this gives the seller a high-level view of the current interest for the asset and lets the seller give counteroffers more effectively. The third and final feature I want to talk to you about is the Sign with Phone feature. Now, when you're on your computer and need to execute a closing document, you can click the Sign with Phone button and then scan the QR code on the screen with your phone's camera. A link will pop up that will redirect you to your signature panel. Simply sign your name and a signature will be sent back to your computer for approval, and then you're done. So that was the top 3 things that I'm most excited about with the latest update. There are tons of great new features that I didn't get to talk about, like drag and drop support when sharing files, and the ability to save your signature to speed up future closings. Regardless, check out our new transactions, and if you've been a longtime Paperstac user, let us know what your favorite update was in the comments. Until next time.